This morning, a coronavirus scare hitting close to the White House. Sources confirming to ABC News overnight that 2 of the cafeterias on the White House campus are now shut down after a worker tested positive for COVID-19. The cafeterias are in 2 buildings next to the White House. Officials say staff at both facilities have been wearing masks and gloves, and there's, quote, no need for any White House staff to self-quarantine. It comes as the U.S. closes in on 4 million coronavirus cases. And the grim new statistic showing deaths in the U.S. last week rose 12% compared to the previous week. The former FDA commissioner says we could surpass 300,000 deaths by the end of the year.
If we continue on the current trajectory, right now we have close to 1,000 casualties a day. So if we don't change that trajectory, you could do the math and see where we are.
On the same day, Dr. Anthony Fauci acknowledged we are not winning the battle to contain the virus. 3 more states, Ohio, Indiana, and Minnesota, along with Washington, D.C., announced mandatory mask orders. That makes 31 states where masks are mandatory in public. The surge in cases coming as students return to school, even though it's still July.
They are so excited to get back to being in school with their friends and with their teachers.
The Alcoa School District in Tennessee became one of the first in the country to welcome students back for in-person classes Wednesday. Students will be in the building 1 day a week, and classes will have no more than 10 students.
These administrators and teachers love our children just as much as we do, and so I have no doubt they have put in place every precaution and measure possible.
In Los Angeles County, where COVID-19 is on the verge of becoming the leading cause of death, county officials are now exploring using parks and libraries as classrooms.
I would like to see the schools open 100%, and we'll do it safely, we'll do it carefully.
At his briefing last night, President Trump again pushed for schools to reopen, claiming children, quote, do not transmit the coronavirus very easily.
A lot of people are saying they don't transmit, and we're looking at that. We're studying, John, very hard, that particular subject, that they don't bring it home with them.
Dr. Deborah Birx from the White House Coronavirus Task Force appeared on Fox News just moments later and was asked whether that claim is true.
There's still open questions there, and that's why the president concluded with, we're studying this very hard.
In the meantime, a story of survival in New York from a man who's earned the nickname Miracle Larry.
It happened so fast. That was an early case.
This morning, Larry is home after spending 4 months in the hospital, 51 of those days on a ventilator.
I was so overwhelmed by how many prayers and thoughts, and I know that that had part of it.
And when it comes to traveling, more airlines are enforcing tougher mask policies. Now everyone is required over the age of 2 to wear a face covering.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.